Hi, this is John with LIMINK. And lately I've been off the road and doing a lot of work outside home and traveling. And the fact that I can have this triple monitor by LIMINK, it's just a great tool and it comes handy to me. What I like the most about this is just I can grab my laptop, just hook this guy up, put it one side into the HD port into the computer and the other side into the power, and I can have two more screens that I can have better real estate for me just to do different jobs. So I have the monitor of the laptop in the middle, and then I would just open this and have two more options. It's a nice screen that's gonna help you to do more in your job. It's gonna help you more with your productivity. So it's already pretty good. It's the power consumption is really good, and the fact that you can actually travel with this and just mount your little office from anywhere, it's pretty much convenient. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.